We're waiting!
Naka-live ka, te.
Hindi.
Sabi mo mga ka-chicks.
So, matagal.
Parang sa lalabas, bakit naka-video sila doon?
Nag-aabot sila.
I'm hearing my voice here in the Oasis stage of Mall of Qatar. Good evening, everyone!
Good evening!
I can feel the excitement, I can feel the hype. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here. The countdown Doha concert is less than 24 hours from now. Tomorrow, taking the stage at the Qatar National Convention Center. And for our official hotel partner, Central.
What's up? Oh, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. When you hear by my side. Yes, ako yung nilagay ng 6 o'clock na umaga. It's Carl McFly on the Loose. That's every Saturdays through Thursdays, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I take you to your...
Well, I will not ask a question, but I want to hear you sing one Eraserhead song, alright?
Lahat ng pangarap
Kita maisasaya. Kamay at walang kamay-maray. Ang puso ko na umibig ng ulan.
Buddy, Sala, and of course, lead guitarist, Marcos.
Yeah, no, vocals.
And on guitar, Emmy. They're Eraserheads, this iconic band formed in 1989. They're members of Eraserheads met while attending school at the University of the Philippines in Diliman. And Ali Buendia posted an audition notice to form a new band at the university message board of women only.
Nag-worry na sila, wala na sila.
Of course, presenting like a modern radio.
Andito pa lang sa
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Finally, after a long wait, they are here live in the flesh, in person. So all the guys are ready. We're going to be hearing their voices. Kababayan. Mga kabayan, good evening. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Sapon! Sapon! Sapon!
Alright, here you go. So as they welcome you here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to open not this literal floor. We're gonna open the floor for a short question and answer portion for our fine gentlemen over here, who are going to, of course, give their share on what views and what, how they are faring.
The great food, of course. Yeah, I was waiting for that. The food here in Qatar is amazing. Shawarma.
Ali, pumunta ka sa Karisma!
Of course, we want to hear from our esteemed media partners. So,
Ali, pumunta ka sa Karisma!
For any questions that you may have for our gentlemen over here. So if you are ready, we are ready to line. So, ano na ba tayo?
I said, I hope that this won't be the last, even for you guys who might be watching us for the first time or the last time. If you think it's the last, well, please try to catch us when we come back here or when you go somewhere.
na book club office na malilim ang inyong complimentary Doha Metro D Pass. So, ayan, back to you, RJ Carmen, RJ Pasha.
All right, thank you very much, RJ Colleen. It seems that you guys are making their way around here. With the gentleman.
Ayoko nga. Ay, nakita ko lang. Ay, saan mo nga sis? Nakita mo din? Kamay lang.